Welcome to Thompson Chevrolet, and here's a look at one of our new Chevys from our great selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Thompson Chevrolet has been serving the Patterson area for more than 50 years, and we pride ourselves on the relationships that we have built with our customers during that time. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service that is second to none. We go above and beyond to make sure that you're comfortable throughout the entire car shopping journey. So get started by clicking the Create Your Deal button, or come see us at 701 South 2nd Street in Patterson.